and the placenta.
Is the placenta?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And just looking at the baby's spine.
Mm-hmm. He looking to
He's looking straight down towards
my
your
front?
spine. Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Definitely a boy. And that's the bladder, that black circle. Kidneys. And then this is the stomach.
Okay.
And do you take insulin or glyburide, or what do you take for your diabetes?
Well, they give me, I don't know what they give me. I just take half
Okay.
because when I take the whole, what do you say, the whole
Pill or
pill,
Mm-hmm.
I feel, I checked my blood and I was 44.
Okay.
So I just take half. And when I take half, my blood is 90, 80.
Okay.
Yeah. It's not shot, it's pill.
That's the baby's arm. And that's the forearm. And other bone in the arm. Leg.
The hands.
Hands. There's the lower leg.
So he opened the eyes now.
Uh-huh, yeah.
Mm.
And this is the top of the head.
Oh, he's sitting down now. He's ready. Huh?
He weighs 7 pounds, 13 ounces.
7 pounds. He's bigger.
Mm-hmm. He is big.
So next month, how much you think he weighed?
Probably 8 pounds and 13 ounces. Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Because you still have about less than 6 weeks.
I still have more 6 weeks.
Mm-hmm. About 5.5 weeks. Okay, the face is a little tough to see, but that's one of the eyes,
Yeah.
nose, and mouth.
And you can I see in color?
Uh-huh.
like me. No. Can you see in front his face? Or it's not possible?
Can I see what?
Like in front?
Oh no, just because the way he's laying, he's so big.
Oh.
Look, resting on his hand.
Yeah.
Isn't he cute?
Cute.
Let me just show these to the doctor real quick, and I'll be right back.
Yes, thank you. How long is he?
The length is, it's hard after they're 12 weeks. It's hard to see how long they are.
Okay.
Here's pictures for you to keep.
Oh, thank you.
I'll be right back.
Thank you.
So cute. He's got chubby little cheeks.
Thanks. Mira, mi amor. Eres tú, mi baby. Te amo, chiquito. Sí, te amo, papi. 5 meses y medio ya vas a nacer.